Hello, my name is Karl Dahm. I'm a principal scientist at the Advanced Materials Group at Callaghan Innovation, and I'd like to talk to you about the TiTeNZ program research aim, cellular materials. Let's start. What's a cellular material? So a cellular material is any material where we periodically alter the density of the material within a structure. Examples are all around us in nature. You may have seen them in things like honeycombs or the foam in the materials that you're sitting on now. But we're interested in metal foams. And these have different applications, but all the way from aerospace transport through catalysis to biomedical applications. The biomedical application in particular is really interesting. So what we've got is we can take an alloy like titanium, which is strong and has good biocompatibility, but it's really stiff compared to bone. So we can use a cellular approach to change the mechanical properties, particularly the stiffness, to make it more similar to bone, which enhances its integration with the body. If you want to see more about the sorts of cellular materials research we're doing as part of the TiTeNZ program, check out the rest of the website. If you want to see more of the sorts of research that we do at the Advanced Materials Group at Callaghan Innovation, the website's here.